market kings, we still a show. Numbers climb, we on the rise. Stack that green, touch the skies. Long and cute, we level up. Victory, we fill our cup. We're so strong, we ride it through. Every day is win, it's true. Charts explode, feel the heat. On the floor, get off your seat. Upward moves, the game we play. Cash rolls in, all day, long and cute, we level up.
Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? Morning, Joe. How are you? Got about 2 minutes or so before the 9 o'clock trade is going to kick in. I made some changes this morning. Good morning, Edward. So I basically changed it to a taking longs only now, based on some back testing that I did. I'm going to try it today. We'll see how that works out. So it's taking a long, and it's a 40 tick take profit with a 50 tick stop. That's what we have for today. Got a minute. So if basically we close above 703.50, then we're going to take it long. I'm not crazy about it because we're sitting here at the 708 level, trying to break through it. So we'll see what happens. But this thing is probably going to take a long. Got 17 seconds left. Got 4 seconds. It's going to take a long here.
Order submitted.
See if we have enough to take us to target. See how this 1 minute's looking. She's trying, that's for sure. I want to see price come back up here, test 716 and clear it. May not do it. Remember, 708, like I said, was kind of a thing, so see what happens. All right, so we'll see what happens here in the next minute. Because once this 5-minute bar closes, this trade will be over wherever it ends up. Hopefully it'll end us up in profit, which would be nice. It's got like 20 seconds left. This will probably be very close to break even or a little bit of a loss is what it looks like.
Order canceled.
So how do we end up? I think it was break even or a little bit of a loss. Oh, this is from the overnight. Hold on, let me see. It was a two tick loss. So $10 plus commissions, to call it 15. All right. Basically break even. Basically. All right, let's reset this thing. For the 930. So looks like things have kind of settled a little bit from the whole tariff thing, which is why I made some modifications to the way this strategy's been playing out. take this back here. Okay, so the 935. Let's see, that one is also been on shorts only for, I wonder what happens if we, let's try to go both directions on them. Let me see real quick. See what that does. Oh man, that's not very pretty. Yeah, it looks like shorts is still the way to go at the open. Here, I'll kind of show you guys what I'm looking at. So, running this thing both long and short, long trades end up having a net loss, and short trades have a net win. So let me change that real quick. So it still likes shorts only. Interesting. So this is for shorts only. This is what it looks like since the beginning, basically for the last 30 days. I'm wondering if we can maybe change the stop a little bit to not be so much of a loss. Actually, you know what? Let's see this. If I lose these, so right now we've got 2 losses. Okay, let's do this. So we've got 2 losses here at like 480. Okay, and if we change it to 250, so it's 50 ticks. Let's do that. So the stop right now is at 95. If we change it to 50, let's see what that'll do. Yeah, see, this is actually better because, so here's what I did. So with, it's still about the same profit, but our drawdown is a lot less. So we have, instead of 2 losing trades, we have 3 losing trades, but we knocked it down from let's see, this is 250. This was close to getting stopped out. I wonder what happens if we increase the profit. Let's try that. So 55 instead of 45. Let me just write this down. So we were at originally 95 stop loss, and then 45 take profit. And then now we're going to go to, and then 45, and then 50. So we're going to change it to 55. Okay, well, that's interesting. So here's what we got. When we change that a little bit, that's actually even like better yet. Problem is we've got like a win-loss, and then the last couple of days have been winners. It's not the greatest of equity curves because it doesn't make new equity. Well, it does make new equity highs, sort of. Okay, let's see. So right now this is with a 50, this is with a this is with a 55 tick take profit. Let's change it to 60 and see what happens. Actually, let's go to 65. Let's try a little more and see what it does. No, that's not good at all. Yeah, 65 is not good. So it looks like 55 is probably going to be it. Let's see if I go to 60. The problem with that is that we're kind of splitting hairs, and I don't like to do that because I don't want to over optimize this thing. $13.10. $55. Okay. Yeah, it looks like this is probably going to be the best way to go. What if I do this? Nope. Okay, so looks like this will probably be the new setup for this. We'll run with these numbers. It's trading at 70%. Kind of see what happens. We'll run it like this. And the numbers are 55 take profit and a 50 tick stop loss. So we'll run that today like that and see what we get. All right. Okay, what is happening with my Discord? Let me see. I got to get Discord up and running. I don't have that. All right, there we go. I got the Discord up and running. So the guys in the Discord can jump in. Okay, so we've got just about 11 minutes till the market opens. Hey, Kelly, good morning to you. Hopefully you can hear me in Discord. You can. All right, cool. Okay. So I don't know if you were watching YouTube. Kelly, were you watching YouTube at all, or you were not? Okay. So I made some changes to the strategy for this morning. For the 930 trade, 935 trade, I changed the parameters to still taking shorts only and a 55 tick take profit with a 50 tick stop loss. I'm going to try that because the numbers seem to work a little bit better. It's not great. Again, we're trying to kind of deal with market conditions. And the 9 o'clock trade, we changed to a long only strategy. And we changed the take profit to 40 and the stop loss to 50 on that one. Just to kind of give you a heads up. And I'll make those permanent changes later. What else we got? Also have the opening range, the 5-minute opening range trade. That one has been okay, but we'll see how that does later. Okay, let's see.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Let's see. Why is this thing not? Oh, it's because it's here.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay. All right. So Joe, let me go back over the settings again for the 935. The 935. The 935 trade is a 55 take profit and 50 stop loss. That's correct. That's for the 935. And good morning, Miguel. And good morning, Trader Bram. How are you? Or actually, it's good afternoon to you guys. Is the rest of the European crew in here, or? I don't think they know that I'm back, because I know I was out yesterday and Monday, and I'm back now, so. Yeah, no problem, Joe. All right. Let's see what else we got going on here. Okay, so we've got just under 2 minutes till the market opens. We'll see what this thing does for us today. See if I look at the 15-minute. It's interesting to know what happened here at 8:15. We did have news at 8:30, right? Didn't really do much. Looks like 8:15 was a bigger thing. Hourly, so we're inside 4 hour. Oh, it's outside. Okay. Daily. How are we looking this week so far? Week is up. And how's the month? Month is up too. So weekly is not quite there yet. Still inside. Daily also could be inside. Okay, market just opened. Let's make sure we got our order.
Order submitted.
Kicking in. All right, this is good.
Order canceled.
See, we're coming up to test this high here. It's actually yesterday's high, and it's also the overnight high. Well, this will be interesting. Well, if this thing keeps up, depending on where this bar closes, again, remember, I'm not a huge fan when we get these big opening bars and then it retraces a little bit. So we'll see. But as it sits right now, unless price drops clear below, 704, we're taking a long. So we'll see what happens. Got 2 minutes and 40 seconds or so. Let's see, what does this guy look like? It's kind of stalling inside of this 1 minute engulfing range here. All right, we've got just under a minute. This is going to take us long, and I have a feeling that once this thing does get us into the trade, it's probably going to pull back a little bit, hopefully not too much to take us out, and then continue to target, but we'll see. Got 20 seconds. Got 10 seconds. All right. And why didn't this thing go? Oh, because it's shorts only. That's right. Yeah, this was a short. We're set for shorts only. That's why this didn't go. Okay. So I screwed up. Looking for shorts only. I wonder what would have happened if we would have gotten in this thing long. Let's see. Let's change this thing real quick. Both. Yeah, it would have hit target already. Yeah, see, it would have hit target right there. Yeah, it would have hit target at, it would have gotten in at 755. And it would have gotten out at 768.
Potential mini magnet signal on NQ.
The thing about it is yeah, trading this thing on longs is not a good strategy. All right, so now we basically are waiting for the 5-minute opening range. Okay, the next setup that I'm waiting for is when this bar closes, this 5-minute.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I'll wait for this trade to get in, and then I'm gonna kill the stream. Yeah, I did hit target, Joe, except I didn't take it long. I was set up to go short, and it didn't set up to go short. But yeah. Okay, so about 30 seconds. This thing is going to get into a long trade. And I hate getting in this late into a run like this. But we'll see what happens.
Order submitted.
Let's see what's happening on the 1 minute. It's weird it's not updating the price. Oh well. Not quite sure what's happening with TradingView here. Let me try to relog back into this thing and see if I can. That was weird. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to leave this. The target for this trade is clear up here at 905. This trade looks like it's probably going to get stopped out. Had a good go at it, and then it just decided to
Order filled.
there it goes. Okay, so it stopped out. All right. Okay, guys. Well, this thing will keep going. If it's what'll happen is it's going to keep. If it basically closes above the opening range high, it'll take another trade long. We'll recap on this tomorrow, but that's going to be it. Okay, guys. That's going to be it
Potential
for
mini
this
magnet
morning.
signal on NQ.
And we will see you guys all back here later on. I'll be here for the market close. Okay? So thanks for joining me, guys. And if you're keeping on trading, trade well. And we will see you guys all later. Have a good one. Bye now.